Okay, it is Amazon day. I cannot wait to unwrap this with you folks. So I'm just gonna do a quick camera turn so you can see what I am doing, okay? Okay, so we are in my bathroom, which kind of has a little bit of an echo, so bear with me. I think I'm just gonna rip at this thing. All right. I didn't know I needed this, but I'm kind of excited to try it. This is the BUV Advanced Heating Eyelash Curler. So hopefully you can see that. It's a heated eyelash curler. How crazy is this? I'm pretty excited though. Okay, so let's tear into this thing. I'm struggling today, gosh. Let's try back to the scissors. All right. Ooh. Oh, looks like we have some charging to do. So we have, ooh, this is stylish. That is fancy just all on its own. It looks like a big fat, a big fat mascara. It's got a little bristle right there. Okay. So there it is. I'm gonna charge it. I'll be right back. Okay, so that has charged for about 2 hours. And so again, super stylish, really kind of pretty. When I open it up, and then I have my bristles, you push the center button right here. I'll get a little bit closer. You push that center button, you're gonna press and hold for about 3 seconds. And as you can see, 65 degrees is the temperature that it's going to warm up to. Now, if you want it to go just a little bit warmer, which is considered the high temperature, you push it one more time, and then that bumps it up to 85 degrees. The instructions said to go ahead and put your mascara on first, and then do the heating tool. So before I do that, I'm gonna set this aside for just a second. Came with a great little thank you note from the company asking that we leave feedback, so we certainly will do that. According to the instructions here, it says that it will stay charged for 2 full hours, meaning that if you use it every day for 5 minutes, it should last you about 50 days on that charge. So I think that's pretty cool that it does have a longevity. Obviously, you don't need to use it for a really long time when you're doing your makeup, but it should last about 50 days on 1 full charge. So that's pretty sweet. And then it came with this handy dandy little brush, which we're gonna see what we can do with that. All right, I'm gonna switch that view. I'm gonna give it a try and we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's been heating up for about 25 seconds. And as I switch that view around, I will say, I don't know if you can tell, but the tip of it was red and now it's white. So I believe that's indicating that it is ready to try. So I'm gonna scooch myself a little bit closer, and don't mind the crow's feet. I've got plenty of them. And let's see how this works. So I already put, oh, it's warm. I already put the mascara on. And as you can see, my other eye, there's no mascara and I haven't done the curling on it yet. Again, don't mind the crow's feet. I don't think I've ever had a camera this close to me before. So, and I believe that little brush is gonna help me. Yeah, definitely. Wow, I kind of like this. That little brush is gonna help me out. I did not know what to think. Now usually, when I put mascara on, I go down and then I go up. I don't even know if that's the correct way of doing it. Okay. So here's the difference. So you've got the curled eye with mascara on, and then you have the plain eye with no mascara on. So curled, plain. Yeah, and it's kind of cool. I like it. All right, so I'm gonna get away from being so darn close. This was a really neat product, and it's been fun to try. So I hope that you'll read those comments and subscribe to more videos because we've got more coming, and this was fun. Bye.